Having trouble with your iPhone's contact search not working? Don't worry, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some easy and effective ways to fix your contact search issue. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Offload the Contacts app. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, find and tap on Contacts. Next, tap on the Offload App button. Then, confirm by tapping Offload App again. And the app will be offloaded from your device. Now tap Reinstall App and the Contacts app will start reinstalling. Once it's reinstalled, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Turn off and on iCloud contacts. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. After that, tap on iCloud. Then click on See All to view more options. After that, scroll down a bit and locate the Contacts option. Then, toggle the Contacts switch off. Now wait for a few seconds, then toggle Contacts back on. Then tap Merge when prompted. Now check if your contact search issue is resolved. And that's it, folks. That's how you can fix the issue of your iPhone's contact search not working. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Got any questions or need more help? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.